चौथ कार्यावळीचे प्रायोजक असतात सुपर 6 प्रोडक्ट्स.
Hello, friends, and welcome to the world of fashion and makeover. Chaturthi is just approaching, and have you decided something special for this Chaturthi? I mean to say, have you decided what you would be doing for your makeover, your mehendi, or outfit? Well, that is a little confusing, so let me sum up. Have you decided to look beautiful this Chaturthi? Well, if you haven't, then come with me. Let me show you some authentic ways of grooming and looking beautiful.
Yes, Chavath is just round the corner and different preparations are on to get set for the festival. Beautiful Ganesh idols, preparation in the market, different fruits and vegetables too. But have you taken some time to ponder upon yourself? Hmm? If you have not, Greta is back with something nice and fruity. When I say fruity, it doesn't mean fruit diet or so. This is for you, something which will enhance your beauty in a natural way. Not more to say, why don't you check this out for yourself? The significance of Ganesh Chaturthi lies in the way people attach themselves with all their love and faith to the care and pampering of the Lord Ganesha.
Are you surprised to see me in this attire? Well, I always like to try something new on myself. So Reshma has something new for me that is called the fruit facial.
Yes, she is all ready for some new treatment on her, but this time naturally and fruity.
Hello friends, this is Chaturthi special for all the viewers. Today we are going to show you natural fruit facial which is done with fruits, natural fruits and juices. It acts like a scrub, cleanser and an astringent. It gives you glow naturally.
Reshma will give
massage with apple juice. All the steps which should be used to do massage for a facial. Acts as a massage cream. Proper massage with banana pulp really gives a very good glow to any type of skin. It's done for any type, even for pimple skin. For sensitive pimple combination, oily, dry, but it's very good for dry skin. Good, they are made with natural fruits, but then it's better, it's very nice if you use real fruits for your skin. It really helps in giving you glow for your skin naturally. massage with plum juice. I'm going to mix all the fruit juices what we have now into a massage gel for massage to be done on Greta. First is apple juice, then I'm going to mix cucumber, mango and little plum. Gel is to be used on oily skin. Greta has got very mild oily skin, so I'm using gel. Cream is to be used for dry, so massage gel and fruit juices, and then now we start with the massage.